In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could fix your Roku not connected to Wi-Fi. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Go ahead and start on your Roku home screen, and what you're going to want to do is actually scroll up on this left-hand sidebar till you see the little settings option right here, or just scroll down until you see settings. But once you're on your settings section, select it, and it's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this. Select network, and then go to the set up connection tab right here. From here, go ahead and select wireless or wired, depending on what you want, and choose your Wi-Fi network from the list, and enter in your password and reconnect. Sometimes Roku just will randomly disconnect if your password has changed or the device hasn't been used in a while, so keep that in mind. But if you are still having issues, go ahead and unplug your internet router for about 30 to 60 seconds and plug it back in and wait for your internet to fully restart. You can also unplug your Roku device from power for about 30 to 60 seconds as well and plug it back in and try connecting to the Wi-Fi again. But whenever you are connected, just look up in the top left corner of your screen and you should now no longer see a not connected option and your app should start loading normally. But that is how you could fix the Wi-Fi connection issues here on a Roku device. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.